nigga toxic.
Yo.
Oh my god.
That nigga toxic.
I hate this channel.
No!
I don't know what he's doing.
All right, Matt. Matthew. What are you about to do?
I'm about to build my PC. For once.
Bro, you're messy inside out. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your mask is inside out. Dumbass bitch. How do? Well, I don't know how to turn autofocus. Fuck! I don't understand how the fuck did you not mount that shit in that shit, bro?
You can't be touching on the bottom or all like that and shit. I got this part stuck in here, and
What? You got what?
I got this part stuck in here. It's like this. I was trying to screw this in, and then when I screwed it out, this came out with it. Help me.
Matt, damn, stop moaning, bro.
I see what he is.
Yo, I'm letting you know right now, bro. I will fuck this.
Like, oh, these the gay ass niggas that keep hearing on the Discord thing.
Alright, where's the screwdriver at?
Dumbass bitch.
That nigga y'all got right back home saying.
What he say?
He said I went right to work. I tried to go back home. That's what he said. Like, I'm just trying to fucking point out the dumb shit. You could have unscrewed this, bro.
What?
You just took it out if it was in the way.
I didn't know you could take that out.
Bro, then the screws right there, fam.
Oh, see, it is coming out. Listen, don't do this shit right now. You know damn well I was having a hard time last night. I was getting really pissed. I was getting really fucking pissed at this shit.
Let's see if this shit go back in. Cause this nigga did some dumb shit and pulled it out with it. Like,
Bro, I didn't mean to.
How do you not, bro? What did you try to do?
I was screwing it into the peg, and I screwed it out, and the fucking peg came out with it. For some reason, I don't know why. Like, come on, man. Come on.
it's hot as fuck. I'm over here.
That is definitely hot as shit.
Too hot for these things. I'm outside my shit with you.
Acting like a nigger. What is this? Is this your driver's card? Oh, this is
Hard drive.
Damn, how you get more cameras than me? How much was this?
How much? It was like $54? $54, $57.
Let's see. I don't want to know what to do. Matter of fact, you put this shit in. What the fuck am I doing?
Oh shit.
Yeah, as soon as nigga Chuck get to work on the PC, nigga, he don't stop.
No, bro. This is stupid, bro.
Look at him, still going too. Dumbass.
I'm mad.
What?
I'm really sitting here doing this shit, bro. Get this shit out my face.
Yo, and this nigga fucking left too.
You already about to lose some damn screws.
Mm-hmm.
Dumb. Stop moaning.
There was only one of those. I mean, there was only the rest.
Hey, so I got to throw out the IO show now?
Do you want it in?
Kinda.
Fuck that shit. Hell no, that shit caused more problems. I don't know. Fuck that shit. Where's the screws? Give me that shit.
Oh, look how slick
Nigga,
it
fuck
is.
that IO
Look how
shit.
slick it
I
is,
don't
bro.
care what it looks like, because I'm not about to sit here when I'm the one working on
But
it.
you got yours in.
Nigga, my first one doesn't have it in. Second one, it already came installed inside the case.
Oh,
so
that's
I ain't
crazy.
really sure.
That's crazy. Oh, okay. Wasn't there a fun part that y'all was talking about?
Nigga, the graphics card.
Graphic card?
My phone, they used to call me the Shadow King.
Miss me with that gay shit.
Chuck, you're fucking ugly.
When you get loud, bro.
We're from Arizona!
Hey, look, the sun go down and they'll
Oh, you right!
when this nigga's doing shit. When I was doing this shit, that shit burnt my ass. Like, my shit sweating. I should have put on some drawers, man. I swear.
That's a lot of wires.
Jesus.
It's a bubble ride!
Yeah, give me, move.
I bet you wasn't gonna help.
No, this nigga being too slow. I'm hoping to speed up. That's what I'm doing. Get this shit up.
It was a bubble wrap though. Don't throw it.
Fuck the bubble wrap. You got time for that later.
You're right.
You tripping, bro. You tripping.
How do you think bubble wrap would fall on your skin?
What? He just said some nut shit.
So I put him like this, right?
Wait, stop.
You about to smack the shit out your motherboard. Yeah, we got to help him again. Well, you got to help him again. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm gonna record after your time. When your time.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm the cameraman, bitch.
Yeah. Shut your bitch ass. Shut that shit up, nigga. All right, we gotta figure out how to melt this bitch. She need to slow. It's looking like we're gonna have to go online, nigga. What's the name of this case, bro?
Wait. Just read the directions.
That's a lot of work.
Okay. All right.
That's just for the week. What's the name of this case, bro?
Oh right.
Yo, Dion, what's the name of your case, bro? Y'all niggas no hope. Go die. Bro, I can't, bro. My ass is like sweating, bro. I'm putting this shit on there. Oh no, that just made it worse, bro. I felt the heat. That shit smacked my ass. Oh my god.
This nigga.
Look at this, bro. Look at this.
Nigga.
What the fuck? Nigga, you ain't sweating that much. Why are you wearing 2 damn pants?
It's not pants. This is shorts, nigga.
Nigga, they take off the other pants.
I forgot to put on some drawers.